Hello children, welcome you in the bio class. Children, today in the bio class I am going to explain you heredity and variation. Children, you know about genetics. The term genetics was given by William Bateson. It has been taken from the Greek word genesis. English meaning of this word is descent. Genetics is the branch of biology that deals with the study of heredity and variation. It deals with the mechanism of transmission of characters as well as variation of characters from parents to offsprings. So, in the genetics, we are studying heredity and variation. So, children, you have to know what is heredity. The transmission of genetically based characters from parents to their offspring is called heredity. It is the process by which characters are passed on from parents to their offspring or progeny generation after generation. But children, characters are going to transfer from the parents to the offspring generation after generation. Therefore, it has been told like begets like. It means young ones look like their parents. You can observe in your surrounding cat produces cat, not dog. An elephant gives birth only to a baby of elephant, not any other animal. You can see from a mango seed you will get a mango tree. When we are sowing the mango seed, it germinate and grow into a mango tree. Human beings give birth to only humans, not apes. Like that, you are taking the microorganisms. In the microorganisms, if there is lactobacillus bacteria, that is the curd bacteria, so from that you will get only lactobacillus bacteria. Therefore, we can say here like begets like. It means young ones look like their parents. It means what are the characters of the parents that is transmitted to their progeny, to their offsprings. But children, when we observe the progeny or offsprings of the parents, the offsprings are not identical. They are not identical to their parents. They have some differences. On the basis of that differences, we can distinguish the offsprings from their parents, and we can find some differences between the twins also. Twins, the identical twins also have some differences. So the differences which are present in the twins and differences from which progeny differ from their parents, that differences are called variations. The offsprings which are produced by the same parents are not identical. They have some differences. These differences are called variations. Variation is a process whereby closely related organisms come to differ among themselves. Variations are first fundamental factor for evolutions. We can observe there are two types of variations. Some variations are heritable and some variations are not heritable. The variations which are heritable, that can be transferred from the parents to the offsprings, but the variations which are non-heritable, that variations will not transfer from the parents to the offsprings. So children, I told about genetics. Genetics is the transmission of genetically based characters from parents to their offsprings. Heredity, so I told heredity is the transmission of characters and variations are differences on the basis of which we can identify the progeny from their parents.